Hello everyone, welcome to 254 Rent, where we're all about helping you find your dream home. My name is Ms. Rotich Kurgat, and I'll be taking you through today's video, where we'll be looking at Freddie's Heights, located at Kasarani. Well, the previous presenter quit to start his own band, and we wish him all the best in his endeavors. Freddie's Heights is located at Kasarani, and it's a 1 and 2 bedroom units, and all of them are available. The 2-bedroom units in the apartments are master and suite. The apartment has a 24/7 water availability from the boreholes, and each house is provided with individual water meters. The security in the apartment is quite good, where there's multiple CCTV cameras on every floor, and there's a 24/7 locked gate with keys only issued to the tenants. And we've come to the end of the house tour. If you're interested in this house, there's a link down in the description box. This house is surely a take. The link will take you to the apartment page on 254 Rent, and there you can view all the details about the apartment. Anyways, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. My name is Ms. Rotich Kurgat. You can follow me on my Instagram at Rotich_Kurgat. Have a lovely time.